nationwide since 1985. This is the spot where Chili Pan Mee was invented. Like Chow KL. My favorite things in life. All right, man. Restaurant Kin Kin. This is one of the places. Man, Chow Kuala Lumpur, the origin of one of my favorite things in the world. Chili Pan Mee. Tried it in all over Borneo, Sabah, but this place, way back in 1985, well, I put lots of these in, and this is a secret chili. I like it. As it says here, dojala, extra spicy. So it's Hakka style noodles, inspired by the Hakka minority Chinese immigrants long ago to Malaysia. We will look at that runny egg. Oh man. Mix it up with a little bit of ground pork, Hakka style noodles. So back in 1985, it was an unassuming food cart here. Where it all began. Amazing dish. Super spicy. Yeah, going on 30 years. And oh yeah, don't forget, it has little anchovies in there, if I can find one. Gives it a little salty kick. And top 5 probably favorite food on earth that I found. This is where it all began. It's an unassuming spot. This noodle bowl, I can't get enough of it, man. It comes with a nice little soup. Simple seaweed kind of soup. I love this food. It's the magic. Dried chilies. Don't forget to put that on there. 太好嘛，你吃了吗，朋友？老脚拌面，客家历史，三四年，超级进老坡，都加辣， add a little more 老姜。我爱老椒拌面。Alright, here's a good example with dried anchovy they put in there. A secret hidden gem to this dish. Not everybody likes that, but it just gives a good little salty pungent. Invented right on this street. It was once a food cart. Well, I don't know when this building opened, but the guy that's here in the afternoon is awesome. He's not here right now. Came here a little early today, but I'll be back again. The origin of one of my favorite foods ever. I love finding that kind of stuff. I've been all over Malaysia the past 6 years, and I've had this in Kota Kinabalu, around Sabah, in Ipoh, and Kuching, probably Penang too when I was there. But this is where it all began. Sarawak, Sabah, Ipoh, KL, maybe Penang. Chili Pan Mee. I love it. Shout out Liang Wen, my friend in Ipoh, who works at a little stall, makes a really good bowl of this. Shout out Sabah Chili Pan Mee, where I first discovered this, Kota Kinabalu. And shout out Strassi Richard. Told me about this location in Chow, KL, right near where I'm staying, actually. My 3rd time here. I'll be back again. Because I love it so much. This guy's rocking the orders, getting ready for a big, busy day.